What's going on YouTube? Official Keith here, and today we have watch faces from the Killer Watch Face Creations team. Now, because we have several different watch faces, we won't go through all of the color change options, but just know that each watch face that's featured today has a color change option of some type. So just wanted to let you know about that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. We're going to start off with the panel series of watch faces with the Panels 3 Silver. There's also a Panels 3 Gold, which is a separate watch face, and the only difference is going to be the color. Now, one thing that you'll notice is the second hand, which is turning right in the middle of the watch face, and I also like the font that's used for the numbers. This is the Fathom SE Standard, and one thing that you'll notice with the second hand is that it looks like an arrow, which is really cool looking. And I also like the way the battery meter and the step meter is placed off to the left of the hand, so that's a pretty cool added touch. And then I like that old school feel with the day and the date. Pretty awesome. This one is the Fathom Combo Standard, so you can see the difference between this one and the last watch face with the added touch of a digital display. So that's pretty cool. I still like that arrow second hand. That's really awesome. And if you notice, it's detailed in the middle of the face. That little button that's holding together the three hands, that's a killer watch face design for sure. Love it. This is the Regulator 2 series of watch faces, and there's two different ones. There's a Regulator 2 Green, which is right here, and a Regulator 2 Blue. Now, one thing you'll notice is the numbers that are used for the watch face. And in a typical watch face, you typically see 12, 3, 6, and 9. But here, they went with 2, 4, 8, and 10. So that's something that's really different, but really cool at the same time. And then just the level of detail with the dials that are within the watch face. This watch face is called the Trident watch face. And the first thing that you'll notice is that second hand. If you look at the second hand, it looks like a trident at the bottom. I don't think you're going to see that anywhere else but with Killer Watch Face Creations. So that's a plus right there. And then the watch face itself has more of a marine look or a diver look. As you can see, it says diver 300 meters automatic. You'll see that in most typical diving watches. So that's pretty cool. But that second hand with that trident, man, that's amazing. This is the Bullseye 2 watch face, and I like how all the dials have a function and a purpose. Now that bottom dial will act as your second hand, and then all the other dials, as you can see, will give you other useful information. I also like how the numbers are spaced between each other at 5-second increments. And then I just like the overall look of the watch face, how it has an embossed look at the back of the watch face, if that makes sense. And then also I like how the date and the heart rate monitor is separated out of all of the information that you have available. So very nice job on this Killer Watch Face Creations made watch face. We're now going to go into the always on display of the watch faces, and I also want to say thank you for taking some time to watch this video. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Until next time, this is Official Keith. You're now official. We'll see you later.